Extreme Animals, written by Kathy Lester, illustrated by Stig Nardin. Have you noticed that some animals will go to extremes to be noticed? These oddest of creatures come in all sizes and shapes. Some walk in a funny way. Others eat strange things. Some wear bold, bright patterns to blend in. In this book, you'll read about the largest and the smallest. You'll learn about the loudest and the quietest. Check out these fun facts about some of the most remarkable animals in the world. Biggest. The gigantic blue whale is the biggest creature. It's as long as half of a football field. An elephant can be over 4.5 meters, 15 feet, tall and weigh as much as 2 big pickup trucks. A long-necked giraffe has extra long legs that make it as tall as a 2-story house. Smallest. A bee hummingbird is only 5 centimeters, 2 inches long, and weighs less than a spoonful of water. A chihuahua is the smallest dog. It can ride along in your pocket. The tarsier, a tiny monkey with big eyes, is as small as a mouse. Loudest. A blue whale's cry is as loud as a rocket taking off. It can be heard over long distances in the ocean. A howler monkey screams to claim its territory and food supply. It can be heard from 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. Quietest. A giraffe hardly makes a sound. It has a voice. It just doesn't use it much. Longest life. A big land turtle can wander around, visiting in its neighborhood for 150 years. Shortest life. A mayfly has to do everything quickly. It only lives for 1 day after it hatches from its egg. Fastest. The long, strong legs of an ostrich help it to run as fast as a racehorse. A wild cheetah can chase after its lunch at over 105 kilometers per hour. One type of falcon is able to dive through the air at 322 kilometers per hour. Slowest. A garden snail crawls so slowly that it doesn't even look as though it's moving. Fun facts about reptiles. A snake's eyes look as if they were also open and watching. Its eyelids are transparent, so you can't see that they're closed. If a lizard is caught by the tail, its tail will break off, but it can grow a new one. A hidden crocodile can hold its breath underwater for an hour. Fun facts about water creatures. A humpback whale's big tongue weighs as much as a small car. Sea horse babies live safely in their father's body until they are big enough to be on their own. A type of lungfish can live for 4 years without food or water if it has to. A mud skipper is an odd fish that can jump out of the water, skip across mud, and climb a tree. A halibut is a big, flat fish that has both eyes on the same side of its head. Fun Fun facts about mammals. A kangaroo can balance on its tail and fight or punch with all 4 feet. Every zebra has its own pattern of stripes. No 2 zebras are striped the same. A big, heavy hippo looks slow, but it can run faster than a person. A camel can close its nose to keep the desert sand from blowing in. Fun facts about insects. A butterfly chooses its lunch with its feet. It has little sensors on its feet that can taste flavors that it likes. A cricket's ears are on its knees, not on its head. To hear better, it turns its knees toward the direction of the sound. An ant can find your picnic lunch. It has a sense of smell that's as good as a dog's. Fun facts about birds. An eagle's very light bones are hollow to help it fly. Its feathers weigh more than its bones too. A speedy little hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. An ostrich is an odd bird for many reasons. Its brain is very tiny. Its eyes are huge and its neck is extra long. It swallows small rocks to help grind up its food. More fun facts about birds. A penguin is a bird that can't swim or walk for many miles, but is unable to fly. The feathers of a flamingo are pink because of the nutrients in the tiny stream it eats. Conclusion. Extreme animals come in many sizes and shapes. You may have seen some of these animals before. Others may be new to you. These are some of the most extreme animals in the world. What other extreme animals do you know?